You get the joke, take it. Right? And he packs my stuff. He's like, he CC'd on my schedules, my drivers, everyone is. That's how I. So Shraddha packed my stuff, and 6 months I was stressed. I've never lost money. My first company is super profitable and amazing. I'm losing about 1.5 crores a month. I'm not being able to raise capital. I've taken about $3 million.
Said, wow.
$3 million. I have not raised money, so I go for this meeting. Everything is closed. Next day I'm speaking. So after a long time, I sleep well. And sleep is the most important thing. If you sleep well, you'll do better in life. Just sleep a lot more. You know, people take, last night I was awake, okay, bad. But last 20 days, that's the only day I was awake. I used to be, so I'm telling you this story and I won't speak after that. So I go, at 10 o'clock I'm doing this keynote and there was today a guy who worked for me, my head of digital, he prepared a presentation of economics for me, which I hadn't seen also. Now at 9:45 my room bell, Sofitel and all. He says, sir, we are waiting for your session and you are the first speaker in the keynote. So I suddenly wake up, I try to look for my clothes, and I mostly wear formal. I wear a jacket and formal clothes. I couldn't find them. He had kept it, but he kept it in the partition. So I got a t-shirt, I got jeans, and I had my sneakers. So I was in a hurry, I didn't look for it, I bought them, I went there. Now I see who's speaking after me. I'm the keynote on economics. Guess who's speaking after me? Mr. Mashankar. They're on the dais, I'm dressed like this, I'm not prepared. Who's Mr. Who was the cognitive Manmohan Singh, Monte Singh Ahluwalia, and the MD of LNP and 2 more people with them. Overall. One, I'm not prepared. Second, I'm already running late. Then I'm not dressed. I saw the presentation, they put it up, I jammed it and I went on like that. And I did okay, I did well. In fact, I became the theme of the conference. At 12 o'clock when the break happened, I don't keep phone. The guy comes to the fight me, oh, you're great, you remind us of Steve Jobs, you're dressed like him. I took that guy on the side. I think, you know why I'm dressed like this? You have to find my clothes. So this thing what I failed in school, I'm a dropout. People come out, I'm with them at starting. Oh, I'm a dropout. That's not a qualification, okay? I'm not saying, if you've not done well in academic, all around, I have 2 kids. And that's the most important thing on my mind right now. But everybody is there, but do the right things. If you're academically brilliant, it's not a disqualification. If you're honest, in a world, face-to-face contact is more important in the digital world than ever. In this world, there are fake people also. Being genuine is also a capital. Some people, I invest in some people do things, I find them so sincere that it attracts me to them. So this skill, all that, and be a hustler. Lage raho yaar. I know billionaires who still hustle. Without hustle, nothing happens. So I just want to say this, give this to Saurabh. Let me say what Elizabeth Taylor said to many of the suitors. I won't keep you long.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I think from all the panelists, we've got very clearly that it is an inside thing and outside also matters, clearly, right? So, because I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs and we've all seen, जब फेल हो जाते तो ये बोलते हैं मेरे को ये नहीं मिला, कैश नहीं मिला टाइम पे, मेरी मार्केटिंग ठीक नहीं थी, मेरे को टीम सही नहीं मिली, मेरा co-founder ने ditch कर दिया और some shit. Oh, you know that saying, right? Tree, you're not a tree. If you're in the wrong place, but ecosystem matters. अगर तुम बीज हो, तो बीज सही जगह पे होना चाहिए. सड़क पे पड़ा तो दिक्कत है, but तुम बीज नहीं हो, so you can move from one place to the other. So the most essential part that I get from everybody. Very interesting. Yeah, so that's the missing link in the ecosystem is don't give a shit about it. Just focus on yourself and be a hustler. Be a hustler. Don't give up. If you're in the wrong place, ecosystem matters. Get the right ecosystem. Yeah. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I love this panel. Great insights. Question answers now. Any question answers? Anyone? Please. Yeah.
Hi, my name
3 questions we'll take.
My name is Gopal Prana. I'm part of an ad tech startup called Experiences.digital. And it's not so much of a question, but just a statement that I would want to make. For the first 3 years, I was the CEO, Chief Everything Officer for my own company. And I've realized that now to take my company to the next level, 3 years, 5 years down the line, I realize I cannot be the CEO. I'm good at a CEO position and not a CEO position. And now it's a self-realization that you need to have the right team at the top. You need to have the right CMOs, you have to have the right CTOs. And this is the problem that I've seen, that every founder thinks that he's a good CEO. And you need to look back, see what you're good at, and have the right team in place who can guide you for the next 3 years. First 3 years, yes, you had to do everything, you did it. Now's the time to have the right team in place, have the right CEOs in place, the right CTOs in place, which will actually determine the next journey for us in the next 3 to 5 years.
Very interesting. Maybe I have a round of applause. You have this realization here right now? Just let me ask you. Quite a realization.
I've been thinking
about it. Yeah? Okay, interesting. Thank you very much for that. Let's have a clean question. Direct, clean, one single question. Anybody? Raise your hands up. Please, we have a lady there.
Hi. See, the thing is that I do not know about the whole world. I haven't traveled. Okay, I'm not a well-traveled lady. But I have traveled a lot of places in India. And being a Haryanvi girl, typically Haryanvi girl.
Love it. A round of applause for that, please.
I know what problems do the youth face or what problems do the people face in India. The problem is not that we are...
So ask a question, okay? In the interest of time, please, I sincerely most request each one of you, now please ask a direct question. Which is the question?
So I'm asking that in India, we live to thrive. We are not living to, be an entrepreneur or success. We are living to thrive. And the mentality is to thrive. Then how can people in India, the population is like more than 50% below poverty line, and what do people get? Nothing.
So the question, please.
The question is that if such people and such mentality exists, my parents would not force me that, okay, you go ahead. They'll just, okay, just you have done your education, get a job and get married. With such mentality, how can one thrive? How can one actually be succeed?
Don't listen to your parents, simple. Really listen to
I'm standing here.
Okay, so let me take that question, please. Anurag, I'll ask you this. So you're saying that parents and ecosystem, it doesn't support us, and how do we thrive in this? How do we do what we want to do? Okay, Anurag, you take this crisply.
Yeah. अभी तक क्या कह रहे थे? यही सब तो कह रहे थे. Listen to yourself.
But दिक्कत है ना.
But I was born in Rohtak. I was 2 months old and my parents shifted to Gurgaon, and I jokingly say and seriously say that I'm a middle class boy from Gurgaon, but I got married and I was given in dowry and I shifted to Delhi, South Delhi. Right? But that's a joke. I think in Haryana things are changing everywhere because this mobile phone has given you access to information. Role model, when you look at hockey, girls from Haryana in wrestling, Sakshi, I own the Delhi wrestling team in the pro wrestling team. Sakshi is my team captain, right? She's a Volvo from September. Right? Okay. So, things are changing. They need to change fast, they will change as role models get created. और लोग करेंगे उनके नाम से किसी ने एक लड़की ने किया, that is the courage. I mean, I have lots of stories from Kerala, from Tamil Nadu. I don't have enough, but it started to happen. It will happen. And people like you are role models. You do well. I mean, if 5 people do well, another 500 will look at them and maybe another 10 will do well. So it started to happen. It needs to happen faster, but it will happen. Okay?
Thank you, Anurag. Thank you very much. You know what I get is, if you really stand for something, you got to stand up. Otherwise, don't expect anybody else to stand up for you, right? तो अगर तो बिल्कुल आती है, तो अंदर से आएगा, तुम खड़े होगे, पिताजी के सामने नहीं, माँ के सामने नहीं, पूरी दुनिया के सामने खड़े होगे. But if you don't believe in your idea too much, then I think, yeah, you need to really rethink. Anyway, so thank you very much. You want to ask, please?
He works in rural area.
Yeah.
So where we work is purely, miss, it's your. So I'll speak out. So where we work is purely a rural work, and I meet every second day small girl or woman, and they want to work.
Yeah. But
I think my daughter is like older than me.
let's
Yeah. So the only advice which I would like to give you, and I see every day is speak to your parents. Whosoever speak to their parents, just like you want to speak to an investor or somebody else sell yourself and sell your idea and prove themselves that you have something.
You know what a brilliant insight, Sagar. Can we have a round of applause for that, please, everyone? Brilliant insight, you know. I see this, okay, so when I help children, the second and third, I'll just complete. The second and third generation of millionaires, बच्चों को issues हैं, but पता है हमेशा ये निकलता है कि उन्होंने ढंग से बात नहीं करी अपने माँ बाप से. They are assuming that parents will not understand and तो share नहीं करते and this keeps boiling and you know shit happens. Great insight, Sagar. That talk to them and think of them as your first investors and you want to be able to convince them. So this is one side and there's no right one size fit all kind of thing. You were saying something. Please.
I'll just add to that. I have a person in my team, 17-year-old entrepreneur. He bleeds entrepreneurship. Okay, I can talk about that, and he's sitting right there. I'm not going to point him out. Right. I think why we don't face the parents, because when I'm talking to my father, for example, and he's opposing what I'm trying to do in my life, and he pushes, and I'm also pushing. I know in my heart कि अगर मैं फेल हो गया, तो वापस बाप ने भी जूते मारने हैं, पड़ोसी ने भी मारने हैं और दोस्त भी खिल्ली उड़ाएंगे. And I am not ready. I'm not ready to take that hit. So I choose the safe side. And why don't put the blame on my dad? कि आपने बोला था. That's the whole fucking thing happens when you go for marriage. माँ की मर्जी से शादी कर लेते हैं. कल को अगर कुछ पंगा होगा, आप ही लेके आए थे. It's like falling in love. You see, when you after a particular relationship, you love the girl, you don't give a fucking damn about the world because then it's yours. I think we are weak. Girls and boys, everybody. And you don't have the guts to stand up. And if you fuck up in your decision, you don't have the guts to own up that decision. My loss is my loss, my fucking up is my fucking up, and I will live with that. So my suggestion is, there is no problem. You really believe in it, go for it. Don't expect success. You will fail. Trust me. There is no defeat in entrepreneurship. You will fail. The only thing that you have to tell yourself, if I fail, I'll be wearing that badge of honor.
Whoa.
And I will be proud.
Can we have a round of applause for that, everyone?
I was almost thinking कि अभी मेरे को पकड़ के बोलेगा बस कर.
No, love it. But there's a current happening. Goosebumps. You get goosebumps, man. I don't know if you were listening, you'd get goosebumps. Really, like you know, really stand for what you believe in. It's got you. Any other questions, anyone? Hands going up. Huh?
I have a statement.
Okay, statement. Yeah.
So basically our attitude defines our altitude. So we are already seeing the change of perception in the society with the traditional mindset being changed of our parents, of society at large. And that was Startup America, which was started by Barack Obama in 2008. And we are in 2016, our Prime Minister started Startup India. So it will take some good time of its own, but you will see this change of perception and India will change.
Thank you, Abhishek. Yeah, please follow.
So you should try to program your parents.
Oh my goodness! That is amazing.
I personally never had a problem with my mother. So because every time I wanted something, I started 1 month before. So I started programming her. I started telling her about that thing. And after 1 month, when I asked her,
Don't underestimate.
but personally, that is the thing which I use and I never face a problem with that.
It's like rather doing that, why don't you work on your thing? Have it in your heart कि अगर successful नहीं हुआ तो बाप जूते मारेगा. And then without spending time on convincing everybody, if you believe in it, go after it. If you win, they have their answer, right? They'll be coming up कि हमने तो पहले बोला था.
चलेगा तेरे में बात है.
And if you fail, you can just simply say, so what? I fucked up. Fine. I've learned something. I'll do something else. Problem क्या है?
Question. I just have a statement to make.
Please.
The day we will remove 2 words from our dictionary, blames and excuses.
Whoa.
It's all learning.
Blames and excuses out.
These are the 2 words. The day we will
And
remove this, we can
had some questions back there.
move ahead.